I'm James, Boatshed MIDI Canals, on board this modern cruiser, Dutch steel cruiser. She hasn't been de-winterized yet and needs some tidying and certainly repainting, stripping and repainting of the decks where rust from last winter showing through. It's surface rust as far as we're aware, and nothing serious, just untidy. And we believe the owner will take this into consideration with the purchaser to give enough discount to cover the cost of having this work done. If you'd like to contact me, please do so through boatshedmidicanals.com.